Good morning, very welcome to After Hack video series, video 7. What we are going to discuss in today's video is how we can exploit a remote victim even if he is on Windows 7 operating system by simply redirecting him to a malicious website. What is the website? That is, I have just cloned my Hackwith page on Facebook and I'll redirect myself using the Windows 7 operating system, which is treated as very hard, but it is even exploitable very easily and very effectively. So we'll see how we can do it and what it takes to make an exploit like that is, I have used the Metasploit framework, I have used various other injection codes, and I have incorporated them in the Metasploit framework, and then I'll fire the exploit and let's see what happens next. So let me show you. It is a typical Hackwith page. Fake. This is not a fake page. This is a very genuine page. What I'm going to do is I'll just show you the Metasploit framework which is running on my Backtrack machine, and then we'll go on to the link and then we will see how we can be exploited if we are on Windows 7 operating system. So let's see. Here is the Metasploit framework. What is displayed over here is this Metasploit framework is running and a reverse handler is started on this, and starting the payload handler. What this means is, actually I have injected an x64 injection of the PowerShell into that particular fake page, and what I have done is I have injected an x86 PowerShell code into that particular fake page, and I have encoded it using the encoders. There are a lot of encoders available in the market and available in the Metasploit framework, but for my demonstration I have used Shikata encoder because I hope it is a very genuine encoder and it is very effective, so that I may not be detectable by firewalls and antiviruses, and I can bypass them very easily, and there must be no hindrance in the exploitation process because these techniques are very crucial and we do not have a lot of times to implement on a remote victim. That is, we have just one bullet to fire. So let's see what more can be done. So you all are clear now that what I have used an x64 injection code. Next I have used an x86 injection code. I have encoded these, including the cloned website plus these injection codes with the Shikata encoder, and now I will redirect the victim over to that particular page. So let's see how it can be done. Here you can see the IP of this system is 192.168.204.182, and what we are going to do is, now let's go back to our Windows 7 machine. This is the Windows 7 machine and here is the Facebook page. Here is the Hackwith genuine page, and now where we are going to land is to a fake page, that is, which is hosted on 192.168.204.182 website, which is here. Here the malicious page is hosted here. So let's type in here. Before firing, I want to say you guys, please keep focused because there are a lot of Java vectors which will be executed, and you can